Cost accounting planning methods. Introduction. Hello and welcome to this video about cost accounting planning and control. In this video, we will discuss the methods of planning and control used in cost accounting and how managerial accountants use them to make informed decisions. What is cost accounting planning and control? Cost accounting planning and control is a process that involves creating a budget, monitoring performance, and making adjustments as necessary to achieve desired results. This process helps managers in decision-making, resource allocation, and performance evaluation. Methods of planning and control. There are several methods of planning and control used in cost accounting, and they include budgeting. This involves creating a financial plan that outlines the expected income and expenses for a specific period. This helps managers to allocate resources efficiently and make informed decisions. Variance analysis. This involves comparing actual results to budgeted results to determine the reasons for any differences. This helps managers to identify areas that require improvement and take corrective actions. Standard costing. This involves estimating the costs of producing a product or providing a service based on the standard inputs required. This helps managers to monitor actual costs and identify any inefficiencies in the production process. Activity-based costing. This involves identifying the activities that consume resources and assigning costs to them. This helps managers to identify the activities that are more cost-effective and make informed decisions. How managerial accountants use these methods. Managerial accountants use these methods to provide relevant and timely information to decision-makers. They use budgeting to forecast revenues and expenses, which helps in resource allocation and planning. They use variance analysis to identify deviations from the budget and determine the causes of the variances. This helps managers to take corrective actions and improve performance. Managerial accountants also use standard costing to identify inefficiencies in the production process and improve cost control. They use activity-based costing to determine the costs of various activities and make informed decisions on product pricing and profitability. Conclusion. In conclusion, cost accounting planning and control is an essential process for managers to make informed decisions. By using methods such as budgeting, variance analysis, standard costing, and activity-based costing, managerial accountants can provide relevant and timely information to decision-makers. This helps managers to allocate resources efficiently, monitor performance, and make informed decisions to achieve desired results. Thank you for watching this video on cost accounting planning and control.